Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So, little closing Tuesday evening video for you. Things are calming down. We're going to keep this HVAC related, of course. That's all this channel's going to be. I'm going to open up a different channel for all that other nonsense, which it is nonsense, really. So, I got not one, not two, but I got three, count it, three calls today from these contractors out here, and I know who the company is, companies. It's a handful of companies in the area, and it's funny because they're all train systems. So if anybody knows anything about what Train does, and I'm not bad-mouthing the product. I have nothing but good things to say about Train, the product, especially the stuff that was made 20 and 30 years ago. The new stuff, I could take it or leave it. It's the same bullshit like everything else. Over-engineered, bells and whistles, whatever. If you're in bed with Train, then you're gonna love Train. Some certain people in the YouTube community that love the Train product. I don't like Train. I don't like the training stuff that they do with their dealers. That Train sales boot camp is a complete joke. So anyway, I got 3 calls today, and they were all Train systems. So I know they're calling Train certified factory technicians to come out and work on these systems, and every which one of them said that just because of the age, they need the system replaced. So I'm going out on not one, well, one tomorrow. The other 2 are going to be later this week, but not one, not 2, not 3. Actually, there is a 4th coming in, maybe, where they told them they didn't need a new system. And the system's 20 years old, granted, it's 20 years old, but these people don't have the money to replace it yet, so we gotta limp it along, don't we? And one of the guys told me that 10 years ago they came out to his house and told him it needed to be replaced. So it was 10 years old then. Actually, it was 9 years old then. And that's what they do. They tell the guys when they got to the Train boot camps that they need to sell them a new system. Sell if it's over 10 years old. Forget about anything else. Forget about ethics. Forget about you being able to sleep at night. Sell. That train system needs to be sold. We need to get these things moved. Move some boxes. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got quotas to reach. We got to get that commission in, that commish, and these service techs that work for these big companies, they don't get any kickbacks. We'll give you a 3% spiff, and then they bring their salesman in to come in and make all the money. I know how these big companies work. I hate these companies, man. We have multiple in my area. They suck. They suck big time. I go behind them at least 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a month. Just a bad capacitor on a fan motor. Maybe just needs a good cleaning. Bad outdoor capacitor, bad dual capacitor on the heat pump. And they tell them they need a new system. Sorry, ma'am, your compressor's dead. No, your compressor's not dead. So I'm going out on this first one tomorrow, and I'm going to document it. They told them that they need a new system. They told them that, sorry, ma'am, sir, there's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do for you. And that's BS, because 9 times out of 10, there's something I can do for them. You know how many times I've bailed somebody out from a $15,000 to $20,000 bill just by charging them a couple $100? And you guys are going to say that I'm leaving money on the table. That may very well be. But guess what? A lot of these service calls where I've gone out and done the right thing, when it comes time to actually replace it and they need it, they use me. So you guys can say whatever you want. Some of you guys don't have any ethics. I do. And hey, if that's the way you want to go about your life, and make money for the sake of making money, not for the sake of doing what's right for your customers, then you go, by all means, do that. But not the way I'm going to live my life. And I'm going to go out and help out my customers. And guess what? I'll get another one on the books later in life, because it ain't all about immediate gratification. It's about longevity and retaining these customers and doing the right thing. So if you agree with me, hit that thumbs up. If you don't, hit that thumbs down. I really don't care. And I'm sure there's some people that don't like the way I do business, and it's because you're unethical, and that's just the way it is. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.